Crackers!
Tale-Bot, an entry-level learning coding robot, designed for children aged 3 and up.
We are at the zoo. First, let's go look for the elephants.
Tale-Bot utilizes interactive technology, is capable of identifying specific maps, thereby enabling interaction and feedback between the robot, map, and children.
The bunnies are so cute. Now let's go see the lions.
This fosters a more engaging learning environment for young children, igniting their curiosity while nurturing creativity and logical thinking. Unlike abstract code, Tale-Bot uses colored buttons to represent coding commands. Simply press the colored buttons, and Tale-Bot will start moving. Forward, backward, left turn, right turn, infinite repeat, play. Pause, clear commands, record,
Hello, bunny. Hello, bunny.
6 random dances. As the robot executes a command, the coding indicators will shine the same color as the button, providing children with visual tracking about the program being run. Tale-Bot is equipped with command cards corresponding to each colored button, helping children to remember their program and make it easier to debug, simplifying the process of programming and making it more intuitive.
Zoo visit.
There is an interactive map featuring voice-guided functionality, offering the coding game in a fun interactive scenario. Instruction mode, code mode, creation mode. The design is expected to encourage children to keep thinking and exploring. The instant voice feedback will spark children's interest,
The ice cream was yummy.
boost focus, and make the coding activity more playful. The blank map is provided as an open play area. Following the challenge booklet, children can place daily objects on the map and create different coding games independently. This fosters creativity and storytelling skills. The parts on both sides of the Tale-Bot can be replaced with building block brackets. Transform the robot into different looks with building blocks and adorable paper crafts. Inserted with marker, the robot can draw a variety of interesting shapes. Tale-Bot speaks English,
Hello.
Spanish, and Chinese
你好。
to meet the need of different language learning environment.
Hola, Bolafontes.
Place the robot on the configuration card and freely switch between step length of 10 centimeters or 15 centimeters. Toggle the switch to choose low or high volume mode.
Big lions. Big lions.
Tale-Bot hands-on coding robot.